Hello there, this is Victoria. Welcome back to my channel, Sewing with Victoria. Today's video is dedicated to my sister. She asked me to remake her favorite leather skirt, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a leather skirt. So as you can see, this skirt is really pretty. It's very beautiful, but the fabric is already like damaged. It's shredding literally. There's no way to fix it. So my sister asked me to try to find the same fabric and make her the same skirt. As you can see, there's a beautiful embroidery with French lace. She was like, hey, can you make me one? And I was like, sure, I'm on it. First of all, I wanna warn you that I'm using not a real leather today. It's a fake leather? How do you call that? So it's a fake stretchy leather, which I bought in downtown LA. I think I have the address. Check the description. I hope I have it in there. Also, I bought this Chantilly So I bought this beautiful stretchy leather. It's, as you can see, it's stretchy. And it looks very similar to the skirt. Almost the same. Also, I bought this beautiful Chantilly, like French lace. It's very beautiful. I'm in love with this fabric. I bought it for that's actually a very funny story. I came to the store. It was a Journal Fabrics in downtown LA, and I was looking for lace for the skirt, and I needed only like 1 yard, and my budget was like 35. And I found this beautiful fabric, but it was so beautiful, so I thought maybe I should grab some more than 1 yard. Like the salesman, he was like, hey, how much do you need? I'm like, I only need 1 yard, but I thought maybe I could grab like some more. And he said, okay, let me check how much left. And it was like 3 yards, and this fabric is like $35 per yard. And this was way out of my budget. And I thought, maybe I shouldn't do this. But then he's like, I'll give you a discount, of course. How much can you pay for this fabric? And I was like, $60. I was like, I'll give it to you for $75. I'm like, okay. I think I should have bargained more. They actually like this, but then I just agreed with 75, and I bought this beautiful. Maybe I'll do like a skirt. Maybe I'll do the skirt out of this because this is so pretty. Like, look at that. This is so pretty. Ooh, oh my gosh. I really like those stripes. That's why I actually bought this fabric, because I feel like it's gonna make you look slimmer. Yeah, it's like visually. And yeah, I think I'm gonna make something out of it. But firstly, I need to make the skirt for my sister, for my picky sister. She's so picky. Every time I'm trying to do something for her, it's always, in the end, it turns out that, oh, it's not what I wanted. It's not like, I thought it's gonna be something else. I thought it's gonna be like something different. I thought it's gonna look different. And I'm always like so frustrated. Also, hit the button, subscribe button. Enjoy this video. Wish me luck with this skirt, because I really don't wanna let her down because she's gonna kill me. I wanna live. Let's go.
So firstly, I started with ripping all the seams on skirt. Rip the darts and zipper and cut out all the seam allowances. Since I cut out all the seam allowances, I needed to add them on a fabric. Don't forget to trace the dart and points where the split and zipper are going to be. Pin the lace on the top of the skirt and then draw the lines for your future embroidery. You don't have to be like a certain pattern, it can be very random. I tried to copy as much as I could. but you can use your own imagination and do as you please. That's my settings for zigzag on my Sinker home machine. Now you just zigzag according to your lines. Then cut out the leather part, but be very careful. Don't accidentally cut the lace. Apparently after that, carefully cut out the lace. Now it's time for darts, side seams, central back seam, and zipper as well. Just a little reminder, if you are trying to find all the products that I'm using, you can always check them in the description under this video. Wow, we're almost done. There's only facing left. So basically I didn't fuse it, I just cut it off grain, because off grain the fabric doesn't stretch at all. And as you can see, I just stitched it and that's basically it. So stitch the facing and zippers edges together. Don't forget that facing is supposed to be shorter than the waistline. After that, you can stitch the waistline, placing all the seam allowances towards facing. Cut thick angles and flip it out. Also do the edge stitching towards facing. You can cut facing seam allowances to avoid thickness. Now pressing, but don't forget to use another fabric to avoid damaging your skirt. And we're done. I personally love this skirt. I think it's gorgeous, and my sister also loved it. Here's a short video of her wearing it.
Вернись медленно. Ну не надо ко мне прям жопой подходить. It's like how much what did he say? Like what is your how like what's the
Have you ever had a dream that you
look. Okay, turn around. Ну, это твоя проблема. Turn around. We're gonna be famous.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like. Bye!